number 5. Number 5 is governed by Mercury. 5 means 5, 14, and 23. These people have an inborn capacity or inborn thinking pattern to live independent life.
Okay.
They want to express their freedom. They want to enjoy their freedom. They want to do new things. They want to always be continuously on the move. Especially if people born on number 5, 14, and 23 come into sales and marketing, which requires continuously field sales job, they can do amazing. Their communication, they can think beyond the mountains. Like their thoughts are like, they can find out what exactly is going on in the person's mind.
Okay.
So 5 should be, yes, of course, they should be careful about their health, especially when they are traveling or drinking water. They be careful because continuous traveling is needed for number 5 many times. Now comes number 6.
Venus.
Ruled by Lord Venus. People want money, people want luxuries, and people with number 6 are always governed by Venus. So now, when it is number 6, it depends upon whether it is 6, 15, or 24. Number 6 people can enjoy amazing positivity of Venus if they are able to utilize the power of Venus in the right way. Or
Okay.
else, many 6 can also see problems in their married life, divorces, or something like that. Because 6 is all about your desires, 6 is all about your how exactly you are looking towards your family life, how exactly is your relationship, everything that matters in the relationship. So if it is imbalanced, then 6 can see an ill effect. Also, they should be extra careful about relationships. A bit extra careful. When number 7, I would say number 7 as heaven. It's an amazing number. People who are born on 7, 16, and 25. Amazing characteristics, amazing insights they have. They can see in depth of what a normal person can't see. Their intuition powers are strong. They can be good writers. They can think beyond the normal person's capacity. The only thing where they have to be careful is about chronic health issue, especially people born on number 16 should be careful about chronic health issue. It can be diabetes, it can be blood pressure, it can be skin disease, or it can be even any other complicated health issue. 16 is an amazing number, but thoda sa health ka dhyan rakhna, because 16 is a combination of 1 and 6.
Yeah.
If 1 is wrong or 6 is wrong, it can give you 7, which is Ketu. Ketu, people who are born on number 7, if they don't take care of their health, many health issues happen to them which even medical science is not able to find out. Like all reports are normal, but still the person is suffering. This can be seen on number 7, and especially 16 wala 7. So they have to be a bit careful. Now when it comes to number 8 is, I would put it this way. People blame for number 8, but I'll say number 8 never late. Because
Yeah.
it's a number of Lord Saturn. If you are ready to put your efforts, if you are ready to put some extra if you're ready to burn some midnight oil, if you're ready to learn something, Lord Saturn can take you to the amazing levels of success. People who are born on 8, 17, and 26 are ruled by Lord Saturn. These people should be a bit extra careful about their joint pains,
Okay.
especially ankles and lower back pain. थोड़ा सा ध्यान रखना चाहिए, especially when there are anti numbers in their date of birth like 9 and other things. थोड़ा ध्यान रखना चाहिए. फिर आते हैं